the camera? All right, leave it. It's recording. Don't touch. Go. Come on. Come back over here. Whoa, careful. Look, we need oil. It's low. Still some in it, surprisingly. Here's the oil. You ready to ride? All right, where is some oil? I think this is what I've been using. This bike and my Silverado got an oil leaking problem in common. Monkey butt. Oil? Hold on. I need a funnel. Wait. Actually, hey, Bubby, hey, we don't use funnels. Choking on my hair, laughing at my own jokes. Brother, what you doing? Yeah, I see you. Riding. I need a screwdriver. There we go. She's in good condition. She's in real good condition. Need some oil. Let's get a good look at this rusty pipe. Oil? Oil? Hey. Cut the asphalt side. No. Let's not lose. Here, keep it. Come here. Hold on to it, okay? I need it. Not yet. You hold it. Hold on. Beautiful. Hey, you stand in front of the camera. What? What? Put the cap on. Put this on here. You put it on? Yep, right there. Watch your face, right here. Well, there you go. Good job, bud. Watch back your head up. Oh. You hear the sand? You hear all the sand grinding? That's not good. That's not good. That's not good. That's not good at all. None. All right. What's the gas situation look like? What? None. Hey, this is a 4-stroke. This is 4-stroke, not 2-stroke. None. A little gas. I got a little gas can. Ride. Check the air pressure. Oh yeah, she's solid. Solid as a rock. It's perfect for street riding. It's a good grippy tire.